Ever wonder how a simple character sketch transforms into a fully detailed 3D render? It starts with understanding the character's identity and style, captured first on paper. Before modeling, artists create clear reference views, front, side, and back. These views help see the design from every angle and guide the modeling process. Choosing the right software is key. Character Creator and DAZ Studio speed up making realistic models. These tools help create animation-ready models, while Blender allows custom sculpting and detailed texturing. The process is more than just building shapes. You refine proportions, textures, clothing, and poses. Refining each step brings the personality to life, not just the look. Each step fixes specific issues. No shortcuts or hiding flaws with clever lighting. Finally, lighting and environment add atmosphere, and post-production touches polish the render. Whether designing a sci-fi explorer or any original character, this workflow keeps your art authentic. With balanced anatomy and strong storytelling, your 3D art will stay true to the vision. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.com. Thanks for watching.